Oh, by the way, first,
The endorser.
I want to ask for how is it being? How many months married?
Me.
Yeah.
Friend, ilan na?
March, April, May, June, July. 4.
Three.
Hanggang soon. So, may I ask, kamusta?
Fun. Mas nakakasama ko pa ata yung teammates ko.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Things have been busy recently, so with the team.
Alright, that's good. Well, Eliza, so many things happening in volleyball.
Yes, I know.
You're an ambassador for the FIBB Men's World Cup.
Yes.
What can you share with us?
Wow, very, very excited for the Men's World Championship happening this September. Really looking forward for all the Filipino fans supporting not just the siguro international teams that coming over, but also the Alas men's volleyball team. Pero marami din nangyayari for our Alas women's volleyball team. So
That's true,
and even the beach volleyball team. So
Yes,
madami talaga pong happenings for the volleyball community.
Yeah. So we got the silver in the ABC, which is a
Yes.
first. So what are your thoughts? You weren't there, pero syempre yung mga
But
kasama
it's good to
nandun.
see. It's good to also watch the younger generation of volleyball players doing well and working well together. Nakikita natin sila in the UAAP. They're all up against each other. So it's a different environment to see them working together. And
Yeah.
of course, our teammate, si Gia, is there. So at
Yeah.
least, kahit hindi namin siya kasama, she's there and she's doing great. And she won best setter also. So
Yeah.
that's a big boost of morale then for their next competitions and hopefully tuloy-tuloy for the SEA Games.
Yeah. Eliza, you've represented the country numerous times,
Yes.
ba? I mean, SEA Games, like, and all and now. What do you share with the team? Of course, I know are you still gonna be a part of the national?
No. I'm not part of the national team. But whenever, we're always gonna be like one of their artists probably. But we're always gonna be here also, not just siguro as their teammates, but definitely as fans. Kaya
Yeah.
siguro nasa ibang side kami, ibang perspective kami right now. But full support pa rin kami for the
It's
nationals.
so hard for me to imagine that you're calling them the younger ones. Kasi to me, you guys are super young, and I know you feel super young. Okay,
Of
so
course.
I mean, come on. But you're not. Are you even 30? How old are you?
Yes! Miss Diane, more than 10 years ang agwat namin from them. So,
Ay, ganun ba?
Yeah.
But you feel young pa rin, no?
Yes, definitely. Most especially, I think, sa team namin ngayon, may mga bagong draftees, may mga rookies. So, habang dumadami yung mga rookies and bago, mas nararamdaman namin bumabata kami. In all honesty, but I think we have to also learn from them yung isa sa mga culture na we want to
Well, you started it all.